I'm going to show you how to check Snapchat activity log. So it's really easy. Let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open the Snapchat first. And once you're here, you need to tap on the top left corner where you can see your profile or your avatar. And once you're here, you need to tap on the top right corner where you can see a gear icon. Make sure you tap here and find the option that says session management. So it should be right under memories. And once you tap here, you would see your activity logins and where you're logged in. So it'll tell you your browser sessions, your iPhone sessions, and when did you open it. So like it says that right now the iPhone is in current session, so it is being used currently. And you can also see a different option that says 12 days ago it was opened in Chrome. So that's how you find or check Snapchat activity log.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.